So 40% increased in power, 28% gradability, completely new motor. Here we have a duplex mast, triplex mast, increased
Triplex mast, totally redesigned, much more robust for and different tubing layout for better visibility, much better visibility and bigger diameter of the tube
for more oil flow.
Yes.
More power also for the third and fourth hydraulic, so we can perform in a higher attachment capabilities. We changed the schematics of the truck.
The machine is currently not longer, but it has a longer wheelbase in order to be more stable. This machine is running 20 km an hour, so you need the stability for sure. And also in this case, the X value is shorter in order to have better residual capacity.
With side shift, 4.8 meter full capacity on this truck. In general, 20% more residual capacity on this machine. So you can really see this is a more performant truck overall.
Peace of mind also regarding the charging, because double charging possibility
integrated
and plug for fast charging.
With the display. Firstly, it's touchscreen. That's really cool. So you can choose your driving parameters directly on the screen. You can see the angle in which your wheels are pointing. So you always know in what state this truck is over here. And the best feature about, or the most amazing feature is, you can see here actually your lifting height. So at any given time, I can see the lifting height. Now I'm at 94 centimeter. I can see my tilting angle changing. And the best thing about it is we choose a feature that many of you know from reach trucks. I press this button here and now press forward and will automatically level so I can go into the racks. The function that we are all used to from reach truck, but now we brought it to the EFL series. Great feature for loading and unloading, especially from lorries sideways. Really excited about this feature. Another one I want to show you is we have a weight indicator in here. I have now here a load of 691 kilo on the forks, and all of this is not done by an actual scale in the forks, but by measuring the hydraulic pressure. Electric parking brake, of course now, stop on ramp, all these kind of things are in this truck to make this truck more performant. The new fingertip control, fully proportional controls in general, making also compared to the previous version of the EFL fingertip or joystick control, this is just so much more smooth, but
and extremely quiet as well, also in this case. What is important as well is that all the controllers, they are positioned here.
Yeah, so two screws, two screws, take it off, access the components. You can see that the step in of this truck, well, I can easily say it's the biggest in the market. The cabin itself is much more spacious than in any other truck before. You can see that we completely repositioned the pedals in the truck as well. Now the positioning of the truck is much more comfortable. So especially when you go a little bit further back, you can really relax in this machine and drive the machine. So it's a completely different feeling combined with the new armrest. It makes the truck completely different.
Then some options.
Some options, yes. There's loads of options and you will experience them. For example, this truck here has this panoramic camera, digital, with a human detector system. So it tells you when there are people around the truck, but it also serves as a 360-degree camera and digital mirror. You will see that we have a glass overhead guard in the machine. So visibility on this, of course, on a completely different level compared to our previous machine. We have an integrated heater that is now, which was already great on the old machine, but more pointing towards the driver. Now we have looked at the airflow within the cabin logically, and we are blowing the air against the front window to defrost, defog the front window, but have a nice airflow, also not pushing the air towards the person too much.
And more powerful as well. We arrived to 800 volts, so 800 watts, so like for a better...
So that's kind of it.